Hey there, struggling with your Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo not turning on? You're not alone, and we're here to help. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo not turning on with straightforward steps and solutions so you can revive your device and get back to your day. Step 1. Perform a soft reset. The first step in troubleshooting is to perform a soft reset. Sometimes a minor software glitch can cause your device to freeze. To do this, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device vibrates and attempts to restart. If successful, your device will power back on and you can continue using it as usual. Step 2. Charge your device. Next, ensure your device isn't simply out of battery. Connect your Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo to a charger and leave it plugged in for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This will allow the battery to gain enough charge to power on. Make sure you're using the original charger and cable to prevent any charging issues. After a few minutes of charging, try pressing the power button to see if the device turns on. Step 3. Inspect the charging equipment. If your device doesn't charge, it's time to inspect your charging equipment. Check the charger, USB cable, and charging port for any visible damage or debris. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the charging port gently. If possible, try charging with a different compatible charger and cable. If the phone charges with another charger, your original charger might be faulty. Step 4. Try booting into safe mode. Sometimes third-party apps can cause your phone not to turn on properly. To determine if this is the issue, try booting into safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the Samsung logo appears, then release the power button and immediately press and hold the volume down button. Continue holding until the device fully boots up and you see safe mode in the bottom corner of the screen. If your device turns on in safe mode, an app might be causing the problem and you'll need to identify and uninstall the troublesome app. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If your phone still won't power on, a factory reset might be your last resort. Keep in mind that this will erase all data on your device. To proceed with a factory reset, you'll need to boot into recovery mode. First, power off your device if it's on. Next, press and hold the volume up, home, and power buttons simultaneously. When the Android System recovery screen appears, use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. Finally, choose Yes to confirm and reboot your device once the reset is complete. If you've tried all these steps and your Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo still doesn't turn on, it might be time to seek professional help. Visit an authorized Samsung service center or a qualified repair technician for further diagnostics. The issue might be related to internal hardware, and professional assessment will help address any complex problem. By following these steps, you can tackle the problem of how to fix Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo not turning on and potentially bring your device back to life. Remember to start with the simplest solutions and work your way through to more advanced fixes. Always prioritize using safe procedures, and when in doubt, seek professional help. We hope this guide has been helpful and your device is up and running again in no time.